This is the sidewalk, brother.
Okay.
I do this for a living.
Okay, well...
I exercise my right.
Okay, well...
So tell them this is America.
Sir, I'm not going to tell anybody anything until you stop talking, okay?
Don't get mad, bro. Slow down.
I'm not getting mad, but you keep...
Slow down, man. De-escalate, de-escalate.
You keep interrupting me.
All right, I don't talk to cops. How about that?
You keep interrupting me.
How about that?
How about what?
I got the right to remain silent. Okay. They can't kick me out of the sidewalk.
All right.
Tell them that, brother.
All right.
In today's episode, we witness an intense encounter where Eli asserts his First Amendment rights, standing firm in the face of law enforcement, attempting to force him off a public sidewalk. The situation takes a turn as Eli calmly but firmly stands his ground, despite the officers' attempts to intimidate him. He repeatedly reminds them that he is not breaking the law and that his right to record in public is protected. This clash between public rights and perceived authority raises important questions. How far can an officer go in limiting these rights? Stay tuned to see how this unfolds.
How you doing?
Good. Do you live here, or...?
I don't answer questions. What's your name and badge number?
There it is.
There it is nothing. What's your name and badge number?
Hastings 5770.
Thank you very much. Name and badge number?
Lee 15704.
Very professional. Thank you very much. Now, how can I help you?
Oh, we got to call that you were bothering people in the building.
I'm recording people in the building?
You were bothering people in the building.
Bothering?
Yes.
The camera bothered them.
Okay.
So tell them it's okay.
Okay, well, they just don't want you inside the building.
Tenants on the way out. This is definitely.
All right, sorry. Go back inside, please.
There you go. Got you in there.
Knock it off. Knock it off.
I got you. I got you. I got you.
I got somebody.
Can we go talk over here, please, if you don't mind?
Huh?
Can you and me, like gentlemen, go talk over there, please, if you don't mind?
We can speak here. We can speak here. I'm in the sidewalk,
I don't
bro.
want people.
It's a public sidewalk.
Okay, fine. We'll talk over
Exactly.
Okay.
I pay taxes.
That's
And I pay for the sidewalk too.
okay. That's great.
So they can't tell me to leave from here, bro, because they feel uncomfortable.
They don't want you on the premises.
That's too bad. I'm not breaking the law, and you're a law officer. You don't uphold feelings.
All right, sir, I'm not sure.
Tell them, okay, listen, I'm exercising my First Amendment right to record in public.
Okay.
How you doing, Your Honor? I'm exercising my First Amendment right to record in public. Your camera's on?
Yep.
Can you turn it over here so I can see it? Prosecution, I'm over here freely exercising my First Amendment right to record in public.
All I'm asking is that they don't want you on the premises. They don't want you.
They don't own the sidewalk.
They don't want you on the premises.
They don't own the sidewalk.
They don't want you.
This is the sidewalk.
All right.
This is the sidewalk, brother.
Okay.
I do this for a living.
Okay. Well.
I exercise my right.
Okay. Well,
So tell them this is America.
sir, I'm not going to tell anybody anything until you stop talking. Okay.
Don't get mad, bro. Slow
not
down.
getting mad, but you keep
Slow
interrupting-
down, man.
you keep interrupting
De-escalate,
me.
de-escalate.
You keep interrupting me.
All right, I don't talk to cops. How about that?
You keep interrupting me.
How about that?
How about what?
I got the right to remain silent.
Okay.
They can't kick me out of the sidewalk.
All right.
Tell them that, brother.
All right.
Stop being a tyrant, bro. Tell them this is America. He's on the sidewalk, exercising his First Amendment right to record in public. If you feel uncomfortable, put the hands... You're Gucci, man. I'm doing a video, man. Stop being scared, bro. If they feel uncomfortable, they need to put blinds on the glasses so we don't look. There you go. That's step back if you feel uncomfortable with my hands. I speak like that. And everybody knows that. Listen, if they feel uncomfortable with me being in the sidewalk, they need to put blinds there or quit the job. They don't own the sidewalk. They're not my daddy.
Why are you going to the building?
Who?
Why are you going into the building?
I never went to the building. What is wrong with you?
Why are you telling me that you're arresting the time? Why?
Am I being detained now?
You're not being detained.
Okay, so there's no need for no name. Go ahead.
All right. Well,
Call me citizen. Good citizen.
I'm going to call you sir.
Sir, that's professional. I'm gonna love it. Thank you.
All right. So, sir,
Go ahead.
they don't want you by the door because there are...
I'm not by the door.
Can you let me speak, please? No, interrupt me? Okay. They don't want you by the door. They don't want you standing in front of the doors because when people are coming
No
in
problem.
and out, okay? If you're going to be here on the sidewalk, that's fine. I can't
Thank
make
you.
you leave.
Thank you.
But I'm going to ask you this. They are uncomfortable. They are uncomfortable. They are uncomfortable. with
That's too
you-
bad.
Well, it's not... You got to let me speak, sir, okay? This is a private building.
I don't have to let you speak. I don't talk to people moving. How about that?
Well, you know
Listen,
what?
the right thing for you to do is to tell them about the First
I'm
Amendment,
not
bro.
going to talk about the First Amendment. I'm not
bro.
going to talk about the First Amendment. I'm not
bro.
going to talk about the First Amendment.
All right, so
okay?
do whatever you want, bro.
I'm just asking.
And leave me alone, man.
I'm not gonna. I'm gonna let me speak to you.
I told you, man, I'm exercising a protected activity, and they feel uncomfortable. You should go in there and educate them so they don't feel like that, but you don't care.
I didn't say I didn't.
You want them to step on my rights.
I didn't step on your rights.
Yeah.
I'm talking to you.
And so you should tell them that.
Sir, enough of your attitude, okay? I'm just asking you to just...
I'm asking you to go tell them what the law is.
Sir, I'm not going to tell them what the law is. Sir, I'm not going to tell them what the law is.
All right, so then we have nothing to talk.
Okay, well,
You are a total tyrant.
I'm not being a tyrant.
You don't deserve to have the uniform.
I'm not being a tyrant.
Yeah, you don't want to tell them what the law is, bro.
Because I heard what they have to say. They know the
So
law.
they don't know the law because they're trying to move me from a public sidewalk.
They know the law.
They don't know the law, my guy. Who?
They just don't want you over
Yo,
here.
do me a favor and call your sergeant.
Oh, my sergeant?
Yeah, sergeant, supervisor, chief, anyone that I need it ASAP.
Just like, you know.
But please, don't do like he did, bro.
No. I'm gonna talk to them.
Tell them we have the right to do this, bro.
I'm gonna tell them. And
Educate
then,
them, please. Educate them, please.
Just so they don't call us again. You know.
Exactly. I have the right to do this, then y'all be Gucci,
Thank
man.
you,
Yo,
man.
You recorded inside? 'Cause
Yeah, but I
they
could-
might not want you to.
but I can still do it, though. I can still do it.
You
Just wanted to
can
know.
respectfully.
Yeah,
I can
yeah.
Talk to them. Just.
You Gucci,
so
you
they don't
Gucci.
call
Yeah,
us,
yeah, I'm not talking to
you
him
know.
anymore. I got you, I
Thank
got
you, brother. I
you.
appreciate
Yeah,
it.
yeah, I'm gonna ignore him.
Let's record out here.
Exactly.
Just don't go inside. Just don't block the door when tenants are coming in and out.
No, that's,
You know what I mean?
yeah, of course. That would be very
I'm
rude.
just going by what they say. I didn't see it.
No, but that would be very rude.
Exactly.
You know?
All right. I mean, they're gonna keep calling us if you hang around here.
Tell them I'm gonna stay here all day, bro.
I mean, you can record from wherever you.
I can stay here like for a month
You
if
can,
I want,
you can,
right? Like I
yes.
could just stay here pacing
Just
back
don't-
and forth, right?
Just don't block the door, and then just
I'm
don't
never
go
gonna
inside
do
with
it.
the camera.
I'm
That's
never
all
gonna
we're
do it.
asking.
No, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't
All
do
right.
that. But hopefully they educate them, man.
Hey guys, we got PD down here.
How you doing? You live right here? Hello? Hey,
You can't go down this alleyway.
I don't know what
Does
you're
it got-
planning on doing. You
does
can't
it
come
got-
down here.
Has it got tape up?
No, you're not allowed to be in the
It's not
center
a
of Phoenix
public
alleyway.
thoroughfare for you walk. You can go if you want to film. You go on a sidewalk. You can't be walking through this alleyway. That's why we're here.
What? Why can't
So
you
if
walk
wanna
through this
film,
alleyway?
You can go to the sidewalk.
Is there trespassing signs up
Yeah,
here?
there's one right there on the fence. Walk right by it.
Let me see. It is unlawful to obstruct. But that's not a no passing sign. No, it says it's unlawful to block it. I can walk through here as much as I want. I can drive through here if I want. Yes, sir, I can.
Go look it up in the city code.
I'll ask the DOJ about my rights. Cause that's where this video's going. Yep. Kick rocks. I have rights. Yes, sir, I do. The sign says nothing about trespassing.
Keep walking back here, I'm gonna arrest you. You wanna push the envelope, I'm gonna arrest you. Out to the sidewalk right now.
As far as I'm going. As far as I'm going. Arrest me. You don't like it when somebody knows their rights, do you? You can't block the thoroughfare.
Sergeant, come to talk to me.
How can I help you?
What's your name and badge number?
How can I help
What is your name and
How
badge
can I
number?
help? My name
Why
is
are you
Sergeant
getting
Shepard.
so
How can I
close
help
to me?
you? want to talk to me? I'm coming.
Yeah, but you don't have to get so close to me. I asked you to identify.
How can I help you?
What are you doing, dude?
How can I help you?
Look at this, you guys.
How can I help you?
What's your name and badge number? First, identify.
My
It's in
name
your
is
policy
Sergeant
to identify.
My name is Sergeant Shepard. Don't do that.
Whoa, what the
Don't
hell?
stick that in my face like that, please.
What are you
Don't do
doing,
that,
dude?
okay?
Call your supervisor
How
right
can I
now.
help you?
Call your
How can I
supervisor.
help?
Call your supervisor.
How can I
I
help?
wish to not speak to you. Call your
Please don't
supervisor.
put your fingers in my face. How can I help
Call
you?
your supervisor.
How can I help you, sir?
What the hell is wrong with you, dude? You're a supervisor?
How can I help you?
You're a sergeant, and this is how you act?
How can I help you, sir?
You're law enforcement. I'm here to make a complaint on an
How can I
officer,
help
but
you,
now I'm
sir?
adding you to that complaint.
How can I help you, sir?
If you don't get me your supervisor, then I'm going to have to go above you.
Okay. I appreciate that. I'll tell you what. I'll do something for you. All right. Wait a minute.
You're getting included in the complaint now. Thank you.
I appreciate that.
Do you not know what the Constitution is?
Do you want
Are you going to get your
complaint
supervisor,
form?
yes or
Do you
no?
want the
Why are you such a
complaint
tyrant,
form?
dude?
Thank you.
Why are you such a bad apple? It's people like you that I film because you are a bad representative of law enforcement. This is what they do. They just boss people around.
Excuse me, sir.
Are you going to get your supervisor, yes or
sir. I
no?
appreciate it.
Are you going to get your supervisor, yes or no? Hello? I'm asking you a very valid question. Are you going to give me an unlawful order? Stop right here. I'm going to give you another chance. I'm going to give you another chance. I'm going to follow you around. Do you? This is how you treat the public? What'd you take an oath to be a law enforcement for? Oh, that's right. You know, he's not even really law enforcement. He works at the courthouse. This is where they send people that aren't very good at their job. So yeah, guys. So
Trash everywhere? Why? Who are you?
Sergeant Miller of the Sheriff's Office.
Is that right? What's your badge number? Who are you talking to that way?
This is Sheriff's Office property,
No,
okay? And you cannot walk up to the vehicles and start looking at them. Those are Sheriff's Office
you've
vehicles.
lost your mind.
I'm not going to argue with you, sir, okay?
No, okay, we won't argue.
Do not walk up to them and look inside the vehicles.
Sergeant, do you know the Plainview Doctrine? It applies to me the same way it applies to you. Or I said that backwards. And no parking means no parking. I'm on my feet.
Okay? You can walk through,
I have the right to.
but you cannot approach Sheriff's Office vehicles.
Yes, I can.
Look at them.
Yes, I can. I absolutely can.
Sir, how do I know you're not going to break into a vehicle? Because that's what people that look in vehicles like that do. When
Are
come
you
into a
kidding me
parking
with
lot, it's
this?
not yours.
Are you kidding me with this
No,
right
sir, I'm
now?
not.
So you think that I came out here with a camera like this? I guess I should have worn my body cam today, right?
I don't know you, sir.
Well, I'll tell you what. Here, let's make it a little easier. Here's my business card. Our 5 freedoms are on the back,
Okay?
right? I'm allowed to check out and inspect my equipment anytime I want. It belongs to me. This parking lot belongs to me,
Sir,
okay?
I'm not arguing with you, okay?
There is no argument. It's the Constitution. Okay? So I say we both take it down a notch, and you understand I'm going to inspect these vehicles.
Sir, I'm telling you, you need to walk away from the Sheriff's Office owned equipment. I understand the taxpayers pay for them. If you want to look at them, you can walk down the street and look at them. But you're not going to be going up and inside every vehicle you want.
Absolutely. I've done it a gazillion times. I just did it yesterday in Wilmington with the chief of police standing there explaining why you guys wear riot grubs to break people's face. Hey, after Crawford, Arkansas.
So that's different if you arrange
No,
this.
I didn't arrange nobody. I'm an auditor and you know it.
You cannot be out here.
Listen,
looking
you need to
around
call
the
somebody.
Sheriff's
It's not too
vehicle.
late. It's not too late. You need to call somebody. I'm serious. You're making a mistake.
Okay, sir. Hello, sir.
There's no hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Nope.
You got your driver's license on you?
That's not how it works, and you know it.
It does.
No.
It does work that way.
They gave me they told me to leave. I left.
Okay.
That's the end of it.
Well, you're going to be served a notice of criminal trespass, and you're not allowed back on Sheriff's Office property again. So, I need
Well,
your
I'm
ID.
going to go call the sheriff, and we'll work it out with the sheriff because
No,
this
you're
is
gonna give me your
absolutely.
ID.
I don't have ID on me.
Okay.
Okay. Would
Name,
you
date
like
of
to
birth, and
search me?
Name, date of birth, and search then.
I don't give up my social security number to anybody. That's against the law.
No,
I'm
he's
telling
not.
you right now. Listen, I'm allowed to do this under the law.
And we're
The
allowed
Supreme
to trespass
Court-
you, and that means that at this point, you are required to identify yourself, and you are not doing so.
Again, and I told you to step away from the sheriff's vehicles, and you told me no. That is why you're being trespassed. Plain and simple. Not because you're walking the lot, not because you were filming us now, filming then, whatever. It doesn't matter. That I have no problem with that. You're being trespassed because you refused to get away from a sheriff's office marked vehicle when I approached you and saw you up on the
Yes, I'm freely admitting that I have to look through the windows to see the condition of the cockpit of the car.
listen, so you were looking in the vehicles, the sheriff's office vehicles.
Yeah, they're ours. We are allowed to inspect them.
Bottom line is, you were asked to leave. You told me flat out no. So therefore, you're being issued trespass notice.
Well, then am I detained?
Yes, sir. You are. You're investigating.
Okay, then I wasn't. Okay.
Now we're at that point where I'm not playing games anymore.
This isn't a game. This is my civil rights.
We're not. We understand that, sir. We're not going to violate.
This is my job. Just like you have a job.
It is my job too.
Okay, well, don't say I'm playing games because I'm scared to death of you. And you called me a thief 2 times.
No.
That's not right. Just because I looked through a goddamn window doesn't make me a thief. Now, are you going to arrest me to get my ID?
No.
Then I'm going to walk away.
You're detained. You're not free to go.
I'm going to walk away if you're not going to arrest me because I think you guys are just trying to get me agitated. So you are going to arrest me.
You're being detained and being arrested.
And you're about to be taken into the jail to be live ID. It is your option. It is your choice. You can either provide the identification or we will get the identification because by law we are allowed to do that.
At this point, are you on the walk away, sir?
Yeah.
Leave this here?
I'm scared to death right now.
Have a good day, sir.
This encounter is a stark reminder of how important it is to know and assert your rights, even when faced with opposition from authority figures. Eli exercised his right to record in public without causing harm or breaking the law, yet was met with resistance from officers who seemed unsure of the law they were sworn to uphold. This situation highlights the need for both citizens and law enforcement to have a clear understanding of the law to prevent unnecessary conflicts. It's essential to stand firm in the face of intimidation while maintaining respect for the law and those who uphold it.